snakes, my name is Dante, and today I'll be doing this vending machine Pokémon TCG thing. Yeah, some random stuff. I'm not sure, but I want that triple curse energy, whatever that is, which I'm not sure exactly, but or maybe the Lucario and Melmetal. Let's spin. Okay, yeah, it's a box again with multiple cards. Yeah, and let's see what. Oh, it's just one card. It's just one. Whoa! I got that one over there. That's a full art supporter. Super cool. Yep, that's right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, follow my Twitch channel, share with your friends, and stay tuned to my next videos and streams. And watch my other videos too. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye.